Okay, very warm welcome to this video on live market execution of trading strategies here at Master the Markets using the Metatrader 4 platform. So here you can see we have a trade set up today on the live trading room, which is the Liftoff 3.0 trading strategy. An excellent trading strategy using trend-based moves to capture open equity, looking to capture 70% of the move just there. What we need to observe, of course, is if you look carefully, you have the setup here. We have the primary bar. We're looking to enter on the close. So we want to enter on the close of this primary bar. You see, current price just dipped just a little below that, but that's okay. We can still get into the market with where the current price is, because it would have triggered already if we had placed the trade on the close. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this trade to give you a demo of how it is done using this account. So here we have $49,500 in this trading account. First thing I do is go to new order, and then you can see I'm already listed under market execution. So I'm going to buy the market live at the current price. So if I just reference the trade journal, you'll see that we bought there yesterday at 113.03. Our stop is at 112.27. There's 76 pips of trade risk. The journal is calculated for us automatically. The first thing I'm going to go do is go to the position size calculator, and I'm going to start to enter in the criteria. So the first one, of course, is the fact that it's a US dollar trading account. So you may have a GBP trading account, so you will change this, of course, to GBP if that's the case. But this is a US dollar trading account, 49,000. Let's just check the exact value, 49,557. So let's key that in, 49,557. The risk, of course, is always 1%, as you know. And the number of pips of stop, we already worked that out on the journal. Remember, it told us the stop loss pips risk. 76 pips of trade risk is what goes into this box just here. And that is, of course, on the USD JPY. So on the USD JPY, let's just find the currency. There it is. And I'm going to press calculate, and at the bottom it will tell me I need to key in 0.73. Okay, so 0.73 is the position size on this trade. So I just key that in, 0.73. Then, of course, I need to put in the stop loss and the take profit for the trade. So again, I'll reference the journal or the email, whichever is easiest for you. 11227 is the stop. In fact, why don't we see if we can just put this side by side here for a moment, so we can just reference it at the same time. There we go. Let's just move across. There we go. So 11227 is the stop, and of course the take profit is 115.31. Remember, the yen uses 2 decimal places. 115.31, just there. 76 pips of trade risk. All of the details have now been keyed in for the trade. All I need to do now is press buy market, because I'm going long on this particular opportunity. This is dollar yen long on Liftoff 3.0, so we are going long, so we're buying. So all I do now is click the buy button, and you can see I'm instantly entered into the trade, and that is now running live. So this is the nature of this particular opportunity here on Liftoff 3.0. It's a live market execution, so I've executed the trade order live. So that's pretty much it. That's how you execute live market trades. So you can watch this video back a few times if you want to get into the swing of it, but then of course run it on your own trading account. This is a good opportunity today on the Liftoff 3.0, which we've taken here at Master the Markets. So if it fits your criteria and your trading rules, then of course you can do the same. Look forward to speaking to you all soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your plan, and trade like a master. Bye for now.